Transferring your Terraria character to a new computer and need to move your PLR player file? These save files contain everything about your adventure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to backup, transfer, and manage these player save files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective PLR file solution for the tough cases near the end. PLR files are player character save files for Terraria, the 2D sandbox adventure game by Relogic. They contain complete character data, including player name appearance settings, health and mana values, inventory contents, equipped items, buff states, and gameplay statistics that define a player's progression and gear. PLR files are player character save files for Terraria, the 2D sandbox adventure game by Relogic. They contain complete character data, including player name, appearance settings, health and mana values, inventory contents, equipped items, buff states, and gameplay statistics that define a player's progression and gear. We suggest testing the PLR file first with the utility Terraria from Relogic. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows offers no meaningful representation, so interpreting these files relies on game development tools. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your PLR file and choose Open With. Test Terraria first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If your PLR file will not open, do not worry. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, locate player files. Find your PLR files in the Terraria save directory at Documents, My Games, Terraria, Players on Windows. Each character has a PLR file named after the character. The folder also contains PLR backup files. On macOS and Linux, check the equivalent library or local paths for the Terraria data directory. Next, transfer between systems. Copy the PLR file and its companion .plr backup to the Terraria players directory on the target system. Launch Terraria and the transferred character appears in the character selection screen, with all inventory items, stats, and appearance intact. Cloud save characters sync automatically through Steam Cloud. Finally, edit with TEdit or Terrasavr. Use Terrasavr, an online Terraria inventory editor, at yl.cc/rr Terrasavr to modify PLR file contents. Upload your PLR file, and the tool displays your character's inventory for editing. Add items, modify stats, and customize equipment, then download the modified file. Replace the original PLR in the save directory. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.